What's up, everybody? Welcome at the top service real estate agency at Costa Blanca 333 team. I'm Vladimir and I'm going to show you the review of this 160 square meters villa on one story and with the plot of 450 square meters. It is architecturally constructed so that there is one area with bedrooms and another area with kitchen, lounge and pool. So when we enter this 40 square meters kitchen and lounge zone, we can see these panoramic windows and we can enter this garden that is connected with the green zone of Polop area. Besides, this is one of the most quiet places at Costa Blanca. Polop, Lanusia, these places are perfect for vacational living or living all year round. Let's go and check the next area where there are bedrooms. So there is a guest water closet with shower, a bedroom, another one bedroom. There are three of them, 3 bedrooms. And here there is a big master bedroom. There is a wardrobe, a bedroom and shower of master bedroom. And besides, there is a very nice urbanization that we will show you. We entered the underground floor where all the equipment of engineering is situated. You can keep some things here, bikes and whatever you want. Let's go and check the urbanization and the plot once more. So this place is a perfect place to live in terms of there is no much tourists such as in the cities on the seaside, and there is a very nice school here and the city of sports. If you did not hear about the city of sports, write to your comments to our channel and we will send you more information about this. So this 160 square meters villa can be yours only for 460,000 euros. And we welcome you to comment at our channel, subscribe, and we are ready for you in Spain to show this great villa. Maybe you want some other apartments or you want some property to invest. Welcome to our channel and welcome to Spain.